Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Onlyfans and logging into the account that pays the creator. This is essential because cancellations happen per account. Once done, go straight to the creator's profile or the subscriptions area to locate the active subscription. Make sure you recognize the payment method on file and the billing date. This prevents unexpected charges. You're doing this now to stop future billing, so don't navigate away. Keep the page visible and move to the subscription controls immediately. You'll now manage the subscription itself by opening the creator's profile and locating the subscription or subscriber controls. These appear as a Manage or Subscribed button. Once you click it, choose Cancel, Stop Auto-Renew, or Unsubscribe. Onlyfans may phrase it differently, but the intent is the same. Pay attention to confirmation prompts and any notes about access until the end of the billing cycle, because canceling usually preserves content access until then. Take a screenshot if you need proof of timing. Finally, confirm the cancellation by checking for an on-screen message and a confirmation email. This proves the action succeeded and shows the end of access date. If you don't receive confirmation, refresh the subscriptions list and check payment records. Should charges continue or the unsubscribe button not work, collect screenshots of your subscription page, billing statements, and any errors, then contact Onlyfans support. Alternatively, use your bank to dispute unauthorized charges. For app failures,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.